Guys, welcome back to our vegan channel. We have a special thing going on today. It's Garden Tour 2019. So we just planted a bunch of seeds and plants yesterday and today. Was it yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Woo! And we want to show you guys what we have set up. Obviously, things are not like popping off yet. We'll be doing updates throughout the summer, but we just wanted to tell you guys what we have planned. Right, so we have the Bebe joining us here.
Yeah, this is our new puppy.
Come here, baby.
Our new puppy,
Lulu
young
is
Bowie.
inside having her alone time.
Yeah, she needs it.
So, all right, let's start over here.
This is the upper garden.
Yes, this is the upper garden, which I want to come up with a name for it because upper garden is so like boring. Like the garden that we're going to show you guys later is the Flash Memorial Garden.
Yes.
So this one needs a name. For some reason, I want to call it like Byzantine or something. I don't know, like, or Babylon.
The Hanging Gardens of
like, we don't have anything hanging here, but I just like the name Babylon. So
the Hanging Gardens of Fork.
Yeah, maybe this will be Babylon. But anyway, we have some fun stuff here. So we have two types of eggplant. Mm-hmm. This is the Japanese Ichiban. Mm-hmm. This is
Black Beauty.
Black Beauty.
It's a big, hefty hideaway one.
Right, so that's like the eggplant emoji.
Right, exactly.
We have some peppers here. Which one is this? Because we have two different ones.
We have red and I think yellow. Okay. I'm not sure which is which. I guess we'll find out when
I know, right?
they bloom.
It's going to be a little bit of a surprise. Yeah. We've got two scallion plants here, which I think
they're perennial. They came up on their own.
This year?
Yeah.
I don't remember what year we planted
because they're bulbs.
This particular one, but they are perennials, like you said. Mm-hmm. So that was fun to already have those in there.
Yeah.
Did you take that cage off or did
no,
it
fall off? Wasn't locked down.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess this pepper plant is busting out.
Yeah.
So that's our other pepper plant. Here we have the full-size tomatoes. Mm-hmm. Whoa! This is why we have the gate here.
You said you're gonna have to do better than that.
I know. So this is the regular tomatoes, and then we have the cherry tomatoes here. Yes. And these have done well.
We've
for years and years and years
gotten thousands of tomatoes
cherry tomatoes
in a year.
Are one of our best crops for sure. We've gotten so many out of these
shopping bags full of tomatoes.
Yeah.
From one plant.
Yeah. These are all fresh plants except for the scallions.
Right.
But we've had them come up on their own in the past before, so I wouldn't be surprised if that happened again.
Yeah.
You never know what's going to pop up from the past.
Or pop off.
Yeah.
We also have our natural defenses plastic owl here watching over the crops, doing absolutely nothing. To add insult to injury, a bird has already took a poop on his head.
Mud pie.
Yep. So now we're going to go down to the Flash Memorial Garden.
All right.
In honor of our wonderful puppy. His name was Puppy, but he was also a perennial puppy to us who passed away a few months ago. So this is in his honor.
Now, this is a new garden that we just put together in the last few days.
Yes, because our cherry tree has been deceased for a while as well. We didn't have a chance to take the stump out yet, but we will. Unfortunately,
no more cherry tree, but
we never liked those cherries anyway.
Silver lining is playbook, right?
Yep.
So we've got a lot going on in this garden, and boy was it a doozy getting all the grass up.
I'm still hurting.
Yeah, well, I mean, we just did this yesterday and today.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go over to this corner. This is like MTV Cribs, but with gardens.
Or the Vogue 93 questions.
Is it 93 or 97?
I've seen all.
Do you get 4 extra?
Maybe.
Who knows? But anyway, we have 2 blueberry plants.
Bushes.
Oh yeah. What was the variety? Was it like cupcake or something?
One was like vanilla icing or vanilla cupcake or something, and I think the other one was some sort of frost thing, or
they sound
I don't
delicious.
Know. They do.
So I'm really looking forward to that, especially since I've been on a crazy blueberry kick.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have a nice assortment here of stir-fry broccoli plants.
Right, 6 plants.
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 lonely strawberry.
I've been wanting to plant strawberries for years and years and years, and you always say no, but this year I finally convinced you to do it.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get something out of it, we'll see, but I just wanted to mention too, we have a few plants in here that are actually perennials and not annuals. So
the whole back row.
Yeah, blueberries, strawberries, and our asparagus over there are all perennials.
Very, very excited for the asparagus. This is my first time growing asparagus. I know it's going to take a couple of years for it to really take a foothold, but we love asparagus.
Oh yeah.
We eat pounds of it at a sitting. So I'm very excited to finally potentially have our own. So these 6 holes are curly kale, and this row, right, this whole row.
I'm so pumped for this row because it is not even tri-colored carrots, but 5 different colored carrots.
Yeah.
So that is gonna be awesome. Hold on.
We love purple carrots, yellow carrots, white carrots, orange carrots.
So hopefully they're gonna do well.
Bo thinks it's pretty awesome too.
We dug out a lot of big rocks today, so.
Look at the 2 champion ones that we dug out here.
Yeah.
This one and this one.
Hopefully we got all the big boys so that our garden will flourish over
I hope
here.
so.
But we also have our fruit trees from years past.
This right here is a peach tree that is tried and true.
It has given us so many peaches, and they're actually edible, and we eat them
They're delicious.
all the time.
I still have some in the freezer that I pull out and make peach pie with in the winter time.
Or cobbler or something.
Yeah.
Last year was, not gonna lie, a crap year for all the fruit.
I don't think we got 1 peach last year.
Anything that was left on the tree, the animals took.
Yeah.
Anything decent.
Right.
And there were not that many to choose from because it was a bad weather year.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully this year's gonna be better.
Like we said, this was our sour cherry tree.
Yep.
Didn't like the cherries and never really got any anyway because the birds always got them.
Birds took it over.
This right here, misshapen tree, which had been severely cut back. This was as high as the tree next to it, but it had some sort of fungus or disease or some kind of insect was attacking it. We're not sure exactly what, but it killed off a major part of the tree, but it seems to be still doing pretty well. Although I don't really see too many blossoms on it just yet. Maybe it's still a little bit early for that one, but that is a moon glow pear, and also a big producer of shopping bags full of fruit every year. So I hope nothing happens to that one because we really enjoy fresh pears. Then these next 2 trees in line here at the back of the pool area are 2 apple trees, also slightly misshapen. They, knowing what I know now, I would not have planted them that close to the fence.
Yeah.
We didn't know what was going to happen. We were from the city.
Look at how beautiful these blossoms are.
Yeah, the apple blossoms are really beautiful. So this one is a Granny Smith.
I can never remember which one is red and which one is green until they actually like start producing
I'm
fruit.
pretty sure this one's the Granny Smith, and the one next to it over here is Red Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
We also used to have a
another peach tree
up there. Tree up there by the bird bath.
Right.
But that one got peach borers or trunk borers or something like that. Some sort of borer went in there, and the whole inside of the tree turned into jelly. And that tree did not make it. We're currently on the other side of Babylon. Here was the veggie side, here is the fruit side. We, well, this isn't really food, but we have a very large pussy willow that when I planted when it was 2 feet high, had no idea that it would be 20 feet high. No idea. We've also got some long stem roses in here. This was a Christmas tree that I'm not quite sure what happened, but it turned brown.
I thought we were only talking about
yeah, we were only talking about the food. This thing that's dripping right now has just come alive for the season. Mm-hmm. And it is 2 separate grapevines.
These things get so massive every summer.
One there and one here. This one is those delicious green grapes, and this one is winemaking table grapes. Mm-hmm. We mostly have it for the to make grapevine grape leaves, stuffed grape leaves, because my husband is Greek.
It produces some big leaves.
Yeah, we don't use those because they're too tough though. We only use the medium to small.
But it makes them really
We don't use the big ones, do we?
Large leaves.
I wish it was far along enough to show you right now.
Well, we'll be doing updates throughout the summer.
Yeah, it has just started leafing out. And you get grapes on the wood on the vine that is 1 year old. So you won't get grapes on any of the vines unless you cut them back from 1 year old.
Yeah, this is a mess right now, but I'm planning on clearing
it's
all
a pretty
of that
mess.
out. Yeah, right? Those are the prettiest weeds.
Yeah.
The little purple flowers.
The other peach tree was right here, which is kind of a little blessing in disguise because it would have gotten crowded out by these giant trees. They weren't that tall when we moved in. They've pretty much doubled in size since we've moved in. And this is what Maddie has been working on today. This other middle garden, I guess you could say. It's not a lower garden, it's a middle hill.
I like calling it Sunflower Alley.
Okay.
So I have 4 different varieties of sunflowers that I'm going to be planting.
Let me show you from the bottom.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty expansive. Down here, but oh, there's something inside where the pool pump is. There was something in there, and I think it's a cat. It's a cat.
Aww.
Right there. Bowie's like, what is that?
What is a cat?
Yeah.
What is cat? I don't think he's ever met a cat.
No.
Bobo.
So here's where the sunflower
I still have a
field
little
is
bit
going to
of
be.
weeding to do over there.
Yeah.
But I'm excited about it because it's like 4 different varieties, so it's gonna be like doot, 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 doot.
I hope it's gonna get enough sun over here because these massive trees
I know,
are.
we've had sunflowers here in the past and they've done really well, so I'm
hopefully the sun is directly overhead, so we've got a pretty clear shot overhead.
Yeah.
But there's also another massive fir tree over here that's also quadrupled in size since we've moved in. And we've also got some pampas grass over there and an azalea, so it's quite a bit.
Yeah.
If you guys want a tour of the rest of our gardens, we also have many perennials. We didn't plant them, we just enjoyed them since we've moved in. We've been in this house how long already? Almost
a long time.
Almost 20 years?
Not quite. Getting there.
Getting there.
Maybe like 26, 27.
26, 27.
What am I saying?
You mean 16, 17?
Because we moved here when I was like 11 or so.
But we moved in 2002.
Yeah.
So 17. About 17 years. Yeah. So we've been enjoying the perennials for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we do maintain them. It's not like we don't do anything with them.
Yeah. Baby, come on. You're not supposed to be up here. Alright.
So guys, let us know if you want the full garden tour. We'll bring that to you. We'll also bring you updates on how it's going with the veggies and such.
This is probably the most expansive gardening we've done ever here.
Yeah.
Ever. Anywhere.
Yeah. So let us know. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. And until next time, much love.